Hi, Judd here. It's a brilliantly sunny day here in Homosassa, but it's pretty cool, maybe about 60 or so. I know it was like 51 at 10 a.m., but it's about 4 p.m. now. I'm coming out to do some more work. My back is still hurting, but I can do most of this seated, and I'm anxious. I'm getting anxious and excited about this because I'm getting to the point where once this ground is all cleaned up, I can finally fix that porch. That excites me. That would be, I'm very happy about that. I'm excited about that. So we're just going to go chomping in the dirt.
Ooh. Okay, we'll just start under the porch. Look at these big thingies. Oh. Okay. Wow, mother of millions up here. Wow. Need to get around. Look at these things. These are sticky. Okay. There we go. I should open a daycare center and get the kids to do this. Little kids would love doing this. Tree there. Okay. Wow. This might be an ancient tree stump. Wow. As the computer repairman said, we need a bigger hammer. Having tools is good. I like having tools. Well, I was very, very young. Started out by trading jobs for tools. You buy me the tools I need, I'll do the job. There we go. Ta-da! Bam. Another mother of millions. Okay, you see that little baby? I have got a pile of them over there that I've taken out of this area, past what was showing, and I'll show you at the end. There's another one. These little babies just got all over the place. I mean, God bless them. Okay. Whew. Wow. Hi. Well, this is basically going to be more of the same for the next 20 hours or so, minus the exciting find of the ancient 4x4, buried by the first settlers walked across the Gulf of Mexico when there was no water there. So basically, I'm going to call it a wrap on filming until I get to the next stage, which is probably rebuilding that thing. So till then, because I just got a lot more of this to do. You've seen it all before. I'm going to call it a wrap there. I got to show you the mothers of millions. Anyway, okay, that's a wrap on the filming. Probably a wrap on the work for today anyway, because I still got to go put some heating lights on some plants down in the lower 40 and these ones up front. Okay. That was fun. Another mother of millions.
What I want to show you is, you've seen this spot before, and I had 4 or 5 mother of millions in here. These are all the ones that I've just tossed over here as I'm digging. Isn't that incredible? I mean, there are just, well, there's got to be 50 I tossed over here. And those were out beyond the border. I mean, hidden, buried, whatever. They just kept appearing. When they say mother of millions, they weren't kidding. So those are the billion-dollar babies, and they'll be mothers of millions someday. Every one of them. Can you imagine that? We're going to take over the world. Dare I say it? I could rule the world. So there you go. It just dawned on me I ought to show you how these came out. These, I should have got it in the bright sunlight, but these did fine last night. As you can see, they all look as good as they did yesterday. So the heating system was fine. And the next challenge for tonight is to get these under some sort of protective cover with some sort of heat source. And as you see, they're not doing real good down here in the first place. I think they were in Lucinda's van for too long, but there's still signs of life in some of them. So this is another light I used to keep in my toolbox in case I ever needed to ad-lib a light on the job. So I've ad-libbed a light on this job, and that's a 60-watt old style bulb that produces heat. There we go. Good luck. Happy day to you.